So here we are back in my garage. We're doing bike stuff tonight. The boys are here already. Me and my son was heading down to San Felipe, Baja, and he thought he blew a head gasket coming in. Some oil was coming out and the bike was freaking out a little bit, so they're doing a little once over and see what the problem is here. Right here on Dirty Business Garage.
Here, see all that's wet right here?
Oh yeah.
And it's dropping all back here. So if you go over here, see how this is like even?
Mm-hmm.
And then you go over here, and you got these steps. So on Evos, all of them, big twins and Sporties, you have to really make sure everything's lined up. If not, you just get a leak.
Right. Anyway.
Oh, what do you want to do?
You think this whole thing shifted?
I think it's just leaking, yeah.
I'll just tighten them all up?
It was tightened down wrong.
Oh, I see, yeah.
Yeah, just pull it apart, put new gaskets, throw it back together.
Yeah.
Pretty quick.
Sweet.
Unless you want to do a head gasket. I mean, the head gasket, it's running fine.
He said it was running a little off.
That's just, let's
Because
give it a
of that.
tune-up.
Yeah, we can pull the spark plugs.
He said it changed like right when he got off the freeway, like something's acting
Let's check
weird,
these
but
spark plugs real quick.
might have fouled the plug or something, but
Okay.
yeah.
You got socket?
I'm okay with, I mean, just, he said change the head gasket. Him, right?
Yeah.
No.
Well, no, I just don't want to do something that he doesn't need to do.
Yeah.
There's no reason
Right.
to go further down.
Right.
Yeah, like I said, we assumed it was the head gasket, but I don't know. I'm no gynecologist.
Yeah, you don't have to unload the motor though. It's just do the gasket. But
Sweet.
Let's pull these spark plugs and see how it's running.
Do you have a compression gauge?
No.
Okay.
Let me get a spark plug
Yeah.
socket.
Pull spark plugs and just do the finger test.
I might even could. What do you think of that?
It's bitching.
You see the tank over there?
So it's all wet. It's a little bit of blow by. But the plugs don't want too bad. I mean, it's
This
definitely
one's dry.
not too bad. I bet he has a but they're a little rich. It's pretty well. Got any brake cleaner or anything?
No.
Okay.
Well, she's got Thunder Kiss and Pucker Up. And
You should shoot that.
that's what he wants. Huh?
Shoot some of that. Why too?
Oh,
It's like, well, hey, it's a project, you know.
You want to tag team this, Roman, or what?
Yeah.
Get on the other side. Grab a stool. You got a magnetic tray.
Asking why it didn't work.
Hey, she slid out. That's fine. You see this guy?
You got a little hammer or a mallet or Roman's hands.
a little like this.
Fonzie. His little Fonzie.
Hey!
There's your leak
Look at it. Yeah.
right there.
So we go to the back.
Yeah.
She's all wet. Get the flashlight out. I don't know if you guys can see in there.
Yeah, it's dripping.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
that's where he's blowing out.
What hammer do you want? This one?
No, I got
No.
it.
Oh, you got it.
Yeah. Okay.
You got the
Hi.
gasket for this?
Yeah,
Yeah,
he's
right
got
here.
all kinds of gaskets. Go ahead and crank it over real quick so we get the rockers down.
Yeah.
Go ahead. That's good. Yeah, this guy wasn't even on there. Oh, half-inch wrench. Oh, we're gonna do the lowers, yeah?
Too long? Never.
Roman?
Might as well.
I heard you, James.
Might as well do it. Here.
I think that's what's leaking too. If we're doing it, might as well just do it. Viola. Yeah, all these gaskets are leaking.
Any razor blade?
Yeah, razor blade.
All right, so once we get it all apart, you want to clean the surfaces really good, everything around it. I like using like brake cleaner. Or,
I don't have any brake cleaner.
but we don't have any brake cleaner, so we're going to use
Acetone.
acetone, which is great. It'll work fine.
It's what's in brake cleaner.
It's what, yeah, it's going to be great. But when you're doing that, before you take the acetone or brake cleaner or whatever you got, you want to blow out all these holes where the threads are, where you're going to be sticking your bolts later. Because if you don't, what happens is oil gets trapped in there, and then when you go tighten down that bolt, it's only going to go one way, and it's going to go right down, and you're going to hole. Trust me, it happens. So just take your time, clean it up.
All right, I like it.
And then you want to do the same thing on your other mating surfaces. Make sure all this stuff is clean.
Oh, yeah,
We'll wipe it all off. We'll pull all the gaskets. And then same thing with acetone. And make sure it's nice and dry. So when you go put the gaskets in there, you're solid. So James is going to clean all this up
with brake cleaner.
with brake cleaner.
Oh wait, I don't have any.
Oh yeah, I forgot all about that. Let me see that razor blade again.
So we got all the gaskets, got everything all cleaned up. Just slap it back together, right?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I can't see what the hell I'm doing.
There was a few of those gaskets blown out.
Can we close the garage and get this light on?
Yeah. I don't know if that'll help that much, but it will help a little bit. Clear?
A little bit better, yeah?
Yeah!
Is it in there?
It's
Yeah, yeah.
ragu on it, dude. You've got mail. So, if you ever confuse these two, the exhaust ones are always the longer ones. And then they got different color paint on them or whatever. But,
And they're usually the back, right?
so, well, on all these, the exhaust ones are always the longer ones.
Okay.
No matter what. There you go.
There, yeah. There it is.
See it?
Yeah. Nice.
So what's the moral of the story, childrens? You don't need a hammer. Just take your time. It's meant to come off. It'll be meant to go on.
Just breathe, man.
Yeah.
Just
Patience, man. That's good. Whoa.
You want this?
That's good.
Torque on it, Steve.
One on each one.
Yeah.
That's it. Do some burnouts.
All right, so we had a pretty good night here tonight. We wrapped up the Sportster. It wasn't a head gasket. It was another gasket. I don't know.
Rocker box gasket.
Rocker box gasket. Went together pretty well. Steve had all the gaskets we needed. Busted it out. Didn't get to my shovel head, but it's only because I didn't have the right screw hardware. But on the brighter side of things, before they came over, I was polishing this up today. I'm finalized this. We got some Black Blood Red, a color I created with some Ace of Shades custom paint. I did some scallops striped with black. Finished it off with a kiss right on the tail. Pretty fun little project, little pan head. Tanks over here. The customer wanted some 60s font and a thunder kiss on there. So whole lot of love on this bike. Some beautiful colors. I did like a little sunrise effect on here with some pucker up. Custom headlight painted. You guys can try to figure out what this is. I'm not going to tell you. We also painted this. Can't do too much for our customers, you know what I mean? Have a good day. That's all for now. Thanks for watching Dirty Business Garage. Good night.